Well, good morning. I know it's been about a week or so since I've uploaded a video. It's just things have been going really slow and I haven't been doing all that much, and I just started this new job and learning everything and how everything goes. So I will slowly get videos until they become more frequent. Now, the job I'm starting right now, I can't really straight up record and use my phone to record while I'm doing work. So these next clips that I am going to show you is just pretty much clips from my lunchtime and break times and stuff like that when we're not really working and I'm allowed to have my phone out. So enjoy seeing a combine and us working on it. We're working on a 9230 Case IH combine. Pretty much we had to replace a sprocket and a bearing and a bunch of other stuff. This is maintenance season, so a lot of stuff is getting changed and fixed. The other combine, the 9240, is going to get some new parts for the auger and some more other parts that we are going to replace in the very, very near future. That is pretty much it for today, so I will see you next time. Good morning. Today we had a half day, so there wasn't much at all, but I do got some footage for you guys. So enjoy this clip of starting up the 9230 Cold Start Edition. That was pretty cool, you know? Good old cold start. Hasn't been started since the end of harvest, so you know, good to start that thing back up again. But next up, here is a lovely video of me cleaning out the bender after it's already cleaned out for the first time, because I wasn't thinking about recording until I was already pretty much done with it. So here's a lovely, you know, panorama of it. So that's going to have to do it for me. I'm going to wrap things up. So see you next time.